uh, boiled Boblen dish, or this is Lauki bottle gourd, 1.8 kilos. Now I am going to use about only about 800 grams maybe, and so I've got this Lauki piece, one onion to be sliced, two chilies, green chilies to be sliced, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, about 3/4 to 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 spoon of ghee, and after taking off the skin and the seeds, cut them into small pieces, wash them, and then put it all together and boil it. The Boblen, never cut it like this, you might cut your finger. So there are many accidents like that. Now the seeds and to be taken out. Doing it. Now you have to take out the skins. Another way of taking out the skin is go along the be careful of your fingers. And then remove. And then cut them into pieces. This skin can be used for making Boblen skin chutney, which I have uploaded a recipe for that. And you wash this, cut them into bits, and then make the chutney according to my recipe. Now cut into pieces, washed, and now I'm going to add sliced onion, sliced chili, salt, about 3/4 teaspoon salt, or even half depending on how much you want. Pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon, ghee, 1 spoon, water, about 1 cup water, little coconut. You can put it later on also, coconut, about 1 fistful of coconut, scraped coconut, just on top as it is boiled, 3/4 boiled, and you can add it to that. Now you just mix it all together and keep it on the stove and let it boil. Now it's about 3/4 done, so add about a fistful of coconut, desiccated scraped coconut, and continue cooking for another till the vegetable is cooked. Don't overcook it. No. Simple boiled bottle gourd is now ready.